In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage sales teams in Odoo. Managing sales teams in Odoo is a great way to organize your sales force, track results more clearly, and make sure leads and opportunities are routed to the right people. When this is set up properly, it becomes much easier to monitor performance by region, by product line, or by department. To begin, make sure the sales teams feature is enabled. In Odoo, go to CRM, then Configuration, then Settings. Under the CRM section, look for the Teams option. If you do not currently see sales teams in your system, this setting is usually the reason. Enable it, and then click Save. This step unlocks the team management tools you'll need for the rest of the setup. Once that is done, go to CRM or Sales, then Configuration, and open Sales Teams. Click New to create a team. Start with the general settings. Give the sales team a clear name that reflects how your business is structured, such as a region, a market segment, or a sales function. Then assign a team leader, which is the manager responsible for overseeing that team's activity and results. You can also set an invoicing target, which is a monthly revenue goal. This helps Odoo measure progress and gives your team a benchmark to work toward. Next, add the team members. This is important because the members you include here determine who can view or edit the leads and opportunities assigned to that team. Keeping this organized helps maintain clean ownership and avoids confusion between sales reps. If you use lead scoring or lead mining, you can also configure assignment rules for the team. This allows Odoo to automatically send leads to the correct team based on criteria such as country, territory, or product category. Automation here can save time and improve response speed. After your teams are created, Odoo gives each team its own pipeline and Kanban view. You can filter the CRM by sales team to quickly see where each group stands in the sales process. For reporting, go to CRM, then Reporting, then Pipeline. Use filters or group by and choose Sales Team. This lets you compare revenue, conversion rates, and opportunity volume across teams. You can also set an email alias on the sales team form. When emails are sent to that alias, Odoo can automatically create a lead or opportunity and assign it directly to the right team. For best results, use hierarchies if your company has large departments, keep invoicing targets updated, and customize pipeline stages to match each team's actual sales process. This makes your CRM more accurate, more useful, and much easier to manage.